Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Greater Mood and Wellness channel. Today, we're diving into something really close to my heart, natural skincare, with some amazing DIY face mask recipes that will give you a healthy, glowing complexion. Natural skincare has been gaining popularity for its numerous benefits, including being gentle on the skin, free from harsh chemicals, and often more affordable than store-bought products. So, let's get started with some fantastic DIY natural face masks that you can easily make at home. So, are you ready to give your skincare routine a touch of natural magic? Let's get started. Our first mask is all about bringing back that natural luminosity to your skin, and it features two ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen: honey and yogurt. Honey is like a moisture magnet, drawing water from the air and locking it into your skin to keep it plump and hydrated. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently lifts away dead skin cells, revealing the fresh, radiant skin underneath. To make this mask, simply grab 2 tablespoons of plain, unsweetened yogurt and mix it with 1 tablespoon of raw, organic honey. Apply a nice, even layer of the mask all over your face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Relax and let the mask work its magic for about 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes are up, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water, pat your skin dry, and say hello to your dewiest, most radiant complexion yet. Let's be honest, sometimes our skin needs a little extra TLC, especially after a long week or a little too much sun. That's where our next mask comes in, the Avocado Oatmeal Rescue Mask. Avocado is packed with healthy fats that mimic our skin's natural lipid barrier, helping to seal in moisture and protect it from environmental aggressors. Oatmeal is incredibly soothing and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for calming irritated or sensitive skin. To whip up this mask, you'll need half a ripe avocado and 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal. Mash the avocado until smooth and creamy, then mix in the oatmeal until you have a thick paste. Apply the mask generously to your face. Let it sit for about 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Marvel at how calm, soothed, and incredibly soft your skin feels. Our final mask is all about banishing dullness and bringing back that lit-from-within glow that we all crave. It features 2 powerhouse ingredients, turmeric and coconut oil. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation, evens out skin tone, and brightens the complexion. Coconut oil is a natural emollient, helping to soften and smooth the skin while providing a protective barrier against moisture loss. For this mask, you'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of organic virgin coconut oil. Mix until you have a smooth paste. Apply the mask evenly to your face, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then gently wash off with a mild cleanser and lukewarm water. You'll be amazed by how bright, radiant, and healthy your skin looks. There you have it. 3 incredibly easy and effective DIY face masks that will transform your skin from dull and tired to healthy and glowing. I encourage you to give these masks a try and experience the magic of natural skincare for yourself. Remember, taking care of your skin is a form of self-care, and it should feel good both inside and out. So, go ahead, pamper yourself, have fun with these recipes, and embrace the natural glow. Thank you so much for watching. Visit greatermood.com for more amazing skincare and wellness tips. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. See you next time.